We have the Burton Photon Boas, men's size 12 US, UK size 11. I don't like black, so I went for the grey. You can smell it. You can smell it already in grey. Those look sick. Let's have a look at the tread. Double boa, front boa for that front zone. Side boa for that bottom zone. Some stiffness. Boa laces going right the way through the back, so it doesn't just hold your foot in from the front, but it also gets it from the back. Loop there. Imprint 3 liner. Do the boas. You can get there like that as well. See that V shape there on the liner, which should grip my narrow heel. If you're like me, got narrow feet, when you're putting your boot on, make sure on the liner, the tongue that comes up, you just don't push it back onto your leg. Make sure the bottom part of it is resting against the curvature of your ankle, so when you tie the laces, it's nice and tight. Do the same with the outer tongue as well. Just don't push it back. Make sure the bottom part is also aligning with the curvature of your foot, and then you can always... With these, I don't need to go super duper tight for them to grip really well. There's no heel lift at all. Looks like it's down to the sides being stiffer with this hexagonal pattern here, with the boa laces going all the way back here, so not just gripping just the front on some standard boas, but also coming all the way back, coupled with that V-shaped liner. Just looking down at the boots as well, they don't look super duper wide, they don't look too bulky at all, as if you're wearing Sideshow Bob's boots here. And because of the lacing zones here, if it does become too tight, you can just undo while the bottom zone is still being supported, and you could just leave these loose if you want. I'll leave a link to them down below, but I think I'm going to return my 32s. They're a little bit more bulky, but I like the way the boa stretches the laces around the back of my leg with these photons, so I think I'll keep these.